and welcome back to Ida's Corner. My name is Ita. In today's video, I will discuss the latest case processing update from the National Visa Center, give you an update from some US embassies, where you will find out what case categories they are working on. How are my amazing immigration friends doing? Shout out to all my subscribers out there who have received their immigrant visa interview date, including Nikisha Ed and Sheena S. If you have already received your immigrant visa interview date, go ahead and tell us how long you have waited, your priority date, when were you documentally qualified, and how long you waited for your immigrant visa interview date. And shout out to all the countries around the world who tune in each week to watch my videos. Jamaica, Haiti, Guyana, all my West Indian islands, Nigeria, Ghana, India, the Philippines, and Canada. And if I have missed your country, go ahead and comment down below and let us know where you're from. If this is your first time on this channel, please consider and subscribe. On this channel, I give lots of updates from the USCIS, the National Visa Center, and the US embassies. So don't hesitate. Please subscribe and tell all your family members and friends to subscribe. We are finally on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Let's hit this goal before the year ends. And that note, let's go ahead and jump straight to the video. Here is the latest case processing update from the National Visa Center. As of August 1st, 2022, the National Visa Center stated that they are working on cases that were received from the USCIS on July 20th, 2022. They are reviewing documents submitted on May 19th, 2022. And lastly, they are responding to inquiries received on June 2nd, 2022. To conclude, in terms of working on cases received from the USCIS, they are 2 weeks behind. Reviewing documents, 2 months behind. And lastly, responding back to your inquiries, they are 2 months behind. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at an update from some US embassies. Find out what visa categories they are working on. Jamaica. They are processing all immigrant and non-immigrant visa categories. Due to shortage of staff, visa processing is taking a longer time. Passports are being returned back to applicants 2 to 3 months after interview was completed. It usually takes 2 weeks. They are hiring more consular staff, and we should see improvements in the coming months. Haiti. The US Embassy in Haiti states that the non-immigrant visa unit is offering in-person appointments for student visas in the FM and J visa classes, as well as in-person appointments for petitioner-based visas, such as HLP and R visa classes. They continue to accept interview waiver/visa renewal applications, which must be scheduled online as drop-off appointments. They are able to accept only a limited number of in-person B1, B2 visa appointments at this time. Please visit www.ustraveledocs.com/ht/ for further information. The immigrant visa IV unit will continue to prioritize cases for adopted children of U.S. citizens, cases in which an applicant would otherwise age out of a visa category, and certain emergency cases as conditions permit. They will also process a limited number of cases for spouses, fiancés, children, parents, and siblings of U.S. citizens, and spouses and children of U.S. legal permanent residents. Ghana. The U.S. Embassy in Accra, Ghana is experiencing a huge backlog for all visa classes and U.S. citizen services. As a result, wait times are longer and appointments are limited. For non-immigrant services, please visit ustraveldocs.com/gh for newly added appointments and earlier appointment dates. Nigeria. The United States Embassy in Abuja and Consulate General in Lagos are processing a limited number of non-immigrant and immigrant visas. You may be eligible for a visa renewal without an interview if your renewal application is for a B1, B2, FMJ academic only, HL or CL/D combined only visa. Check out www.ustraveldocs.com/ng to determine if you are eligible. Philippines. The U.S. Embassy in the Philippines is processing all routine visa services. Though interview appointments for some visa classes remain limited in order to prioritize travelers with urgent needs and certain critical categories of visas. Due to a high volume of applicants and consular staffing shortage, wait times for many visa classes are longer than the pre-pandemic norm. India. The U.S. Embassy in India states that the Department of State has authorized consular officers to waive the in-person interview requirement for certain categories of visa applicants through 31st December 2022. This new authorization applies to travelers applying for F, H1, H3, H4, non-blanket, L, M, O, P, Q, and academic J visas who were previously issued any type of visa. If they are applying for a visa in this country of nationality or residence. This authorization does not apply to applicants who have a previous refusal that was not subsequently waived or overcome. Adjudicating consular officers may request an in-person interview if additional information is required from applicants. Furthermore, applicants renewing any visa within 48 months of expiration also continue to be eligible for interview waiver. The embassy also states that due to reduced staffing and numerous pandemic-related disruptions to our operations since March 2020, appointment demand is high across all visa categories and wait times may be lengthy for most routine non-immigrant visa appointments at the U.S. Embassy, New Delhi, and consulates in Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Mumbai. The U.S. mission to India is pleased to resume processing of routine in-person B1, B2 visa appointments starting in September 2022. Canada. The United States Embassy and consulates in Canada have resumed routine U.S. citizen services and non-immigrant visa services. The U.S. Consulate General in Montreal is processing immigrant visas according to priority dates, documentally approved dates, and visa categories. Looking at the embassy chart for Canada, we can see that all locations are providing full services for passports, consular reports of birth abroad, and notary services. Montreal is the only consulate that is processing full services for immigrant and fiancé visas. However, for non-immigrant visas, they are only providing emergency services. And all other locations, including Calgary, Halifax, Ottawa, Quebec City, Toronto, and Vancouver, they are providing full services for non-immigrant visas. So this is the latest update for the US embassies and consulates in Canada. I hope each one of you enjoyed these updates from the US embassies around the world. If I have not discussed your embassy in your country, please comment down below and I'll try my best to find some information for you. If you have any questions or concerns, ensure that you schedule a consultation with me, send me an email, and you can always comment down below. Before I go, ensure that you support my brand. Head over to edithscorner.shop and check out my latest merchandise. Or you can head over to my YouTube channel page and check out my store section. YouTube have finally given me the opportunity to add my store to my channel page. So now you can access my store on my channel page. I have lots of great merchandise and the prices are reasonable. Support your girl, I beg. Before I end this video, ensure that you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss another video from me. Thank you for watching Edith's Corner, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.